How to use face filters such as smoothness, tone, jawline, and eyes in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. From here, swipe across and tap on the face filters. In here, tap on the on button to turn on, so you can turn on or turn off the face filters. After that, you can tap on the smoothness, so tap on the smoothness icon. From here, you can drag it to the left or to the right to increase the smoothness or to decrease the smoothness of the picture. Next is the tone. You can adjust the tone of the face and the jawline. So if the camera detects there is a face in the picture, you can adjust the jawline of the face. And lastly is the eyes. You can also adjust the eyes feature in the picture by dragging on the slider bar here to the left or to the right. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key and the settings will be saved. So when you take a pictures, the face filters will applied accordingly. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.